One of the major problems in BS BCBS NC project is that most of the time we are getting um, memory issues like um, memory is full, CPU is exceeding the limit, threshold limit, etc. So to mitigate those issues, there are few commands from the Docker side. One way of resolving memory issue, we can increase the storage space, memory, etc. And one way of but this is not always feasible, but most of the time what we can do, we can purge, we can delete the unused images, dangling images. Unused or dangling images are the same things. And containers, unused containers, volumes and networks. For those, there are few commands which I am stating here. Docker system prune. So it will like Docker provides a single command that will clean up any resources, images, containers, volumes, and networks that are dangling, not associated with a container. That dangling or unused means not associated with a container. Docker system prune. And to additionally remove any stopped containers and all unused images, not just dangling images. We just add a flag -a, Docker system prune -a. And then to check what are the images available, Docker images -a, and we can manually delete those images. Docker RMI image name. Then if we want only to remove the dangling images, then we can this dangling is equal to true. Docker, this is a listing. Then to remove the images, prune. And if we read it, um, okay, removing according to the pattern, we can define some pattern. Say image pattern is this, grab then this, then remove Docker image -a. This will list all the images. Then we will search the pattern, and then awk command. This is very awesome command to print say if using the third column. It's starting from the first, not from the zeroth. So first, second and third column, it will print all the values from the third column of a table. And then xargs document. Then from this argument, xargs will remove all the image found in this argument. So it will remove all those images. And then Docker images -a, and then we can remove this way also. RMI $Docker, we can club this way. Docker ps command with -a flag locates the name or ID of the containers you want to remove. So all stopped containers basically. And then remove, we can remove those containers by writing writing the command Docker rm and then ID. Then run and remove. And we can mention the status using the flag -f. Remove all the exited containers. You can locate containers using this and filter them by their status. क्रिएटेड स्टेटस कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? क्रिएटेड हो सकता है, रीस्टार्टिंग हो सकता है, रनिंग हो सकता है, पॉज हो सकता है और एग्जिटेड हो सकता है. कंटेनर के स्टेटस ये हैं. और थ्रू to review the list of exited containers, use the -f flag to filter based on status. When you are verified, you want to remove those containers using -q to pass the IDs, and then we can remove like this. Status is equal to exited. So this is the status. So if the container is already exited, we can remove it safely. And So these are all few things which I wanted to discuss from the BCBSN project. So we can similarly list the volumes Docker volume ls, and then we can remove the volume using Docker volume rm, volume name, and so on. We can list many volumes in the one go. And similarly to the images, we can specify if the volume is dangling and unused, we can definitely remove it. Docker volume ls minus f dangling is equal to true, and then we can prune it, Docker volume prune. So that's it. So these are the two ways to fix these issues. Right now I have only come to know only these two issues. Thank you.